Hey everyone, this is Bertha here at Byrider South 27th Street. I'm going to explain to you a little bit why it's so important for you to make sure you change your oil every 3,000 miles or every 3 months. Oil changes will extend the life of your engine, providing your car with more value, better gas mileage. Your engine is sure to last for a long time. It's either 3 months or every 3,000 miles. If you have any other questions, please reach us at 414-325-2000 or visit us at 4810 South 27th Street, Milwaukee, Wisconsin 53221.